Hello ladies and gentlemen, how you guys doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching me from. Guys, it don't happen everywhere. I don't scatter. In fact, I bring this one make una just watch. No need of talking too much. Let's dive into the video immediately. Let's go there.
Simon don't blow the trumpet of death for Finland. He said if you come outside on Monday, first of all do this thing. Prepare for your burial first. Threatening of life. This time around, the life of the people when they live for East now not save again. They stop there for their business, but they not think how they could take put food for mouths. These people now they battle you a lot now for their life. No doubt they fight for freedom, but wait first when we ask this question. Why the government of this country not try to fix this up for the masses? Don't forget, if the poor masses there for us doing nothing, how they could take put food for mouths? Simon, you there for Finland, no doubt. Your blood is up now because of say una don't.
Alright guys,
they cry, they beg for una freedom is there, but the government put upon themselves as Goliath say no, say una no go. They every own a leader. That is one of the first, but this one herself, one what the video. Me myself, I'm confused because Biafra matter senior me. Now ancient of days, now it be Nigeria they personate. Watch the video.
You can't kill and destroy the business of our people and go free with it. No. From tonight, if any business is burnt down in Nnewi, Ifeanyi Ubah will pay for it. He will pay with his business, he will pay with his property, he will pay with his money, he will pay with everything that Biafra can lay their hand on. And let this particular militia that he has built for himself, or the empire, the criminal empire or cartel he is building for himself, will come and protect those things. Let just hear that a business of a Biafran is burned in Nnewi from Monday.
On Monday,
okay, if everybody
must come out to say either you love this town or you hate this town. Either you love Nnewi or you hate Nnewi.
Okay.
And this time Nnewi, no, let's not know where or the
Nnewi. Look at somebody calling out.
And so many great men. Obodo Chineke I am not sure you guys are happy.
Look at he's talking about the Alphonse is talking about Odumegwu Ojukwu. Ask him, when Odumegwu Ojukwu was alive, did he love him? Now he is talking about Nnamdi. When Nnamdi was alive, did he, Ifeanyi Ubah, love him? Can you pinpoint one single thing that Ifeanyi Ubah did when Nnamdi was alive to show that, oh, I was proud of Ojukwu? He was never proud of Ojukwu. All of them are criminals. Because Nigeria favors criminals. They love Nigeria. Now tell me, why would you love Nigeria that cannot provide electricity for your people? Why should you love Nigeria that cannot provide security for your people? Why should you love Nigeria that cannot build a hospital for your people? You raise money to build a hospital and you love Nigeria. You raise money to bring armed people in the name of security and then you love Nigeria. But Nigeria have police. Nigeria have military. Why are you not relying on Nigeria police? Why are you not relying on Nigeria military? Because it is Islamic Nigeria military and Islamic Nigeria police.